Start your engines. Now you can invite Altino the robot car into your home. Australia's most advanced AI educational robot. The entire family can learn with the easy step-by-step, follow the bouncing ball, education program. See Altino's data change and fluctuate as the robot's environment changes. This is what AI, or artificial intelligence, is all about. Program Altino's infrared sensors, light sensors, temperature sensors, and LED matrix. And that's just the start. The Altino program is undoubtedly the most fun and easiest way to learn computer programming at home. With an educational robot that grows with you, teaching you different computer languages, such as Scratch, Python, C language, and Visual Studio. Turn your household into technology creators, not just technology users.